Hi, today we're going to the Charyn Canyon, an amazing natural wonder of Kazakhstan. It is located only 200 kilometers from Almaty. The canyon is formed from sedimentary rocks that are over 12 million years old. And the most famous place is the Valley of Castles, which we will visit in this video. If you don't want to walk, there is an option to take a cab which costs 700 tenge one way. And also I recommend you to bring drinking water and a hat because it's very hot here, especially in the summer. Charyn National Park is rich in wild animals. We managed to see a hare, a lizard, a gerbil, and the Siberian ibexes, which in the evening came down to the Charyn River for watering. Thank you for watching my video, and Kazakhstan is waiting for you.